Every second, somewhere in the world, a bottle of orange juice is opened.
Its color is bright, its flavor is familiar, its taste is consistent.
But what most people don't realize is how far this juice has already traveled.
These oranges are grown not for appearance, but for chemistry.
Every tree is measured, monitored, and optimized.
When harvest begins, speed and scale take priority.
One machine replaces dozens of human workers.
Timing is critical to prevent fermentation.
Within hours, the oranges reach the factory. This is where agriculture meets automation. Every load is tested before acceptance.
Sugar, acidity, and defects are identified instantly.
Washing removes soil, microbes, and residues.
Most water is filtered and reused. Cleanliness defines product safety. This machine defines modern juice production. Juice is extracted without crushing the peel. Bitterness is carefully controlled. Pulp levels are precisely adjusted. Oxygen removal preserves color and nutrients.
Heat neutralizes pathogens in seconds.
Flavor is protected by speed.
Water is removed at low temperatures.
Volume shrinks. Flavor intensifies. Concentrate can be stored for months. Aroma is preserved separately. Taste profiles are engineered. Vitamin C is restored to standards. Automation ensures consistency. Packaging begins immediately after blending. Aseptic systems extend shelf life.
Brand identity is applied here.
Defects are removed instantly.
Robots replace manual stacking.
Finished juice awaits distribution. Millions of liters every year. Consistency is engineered, not accidental. From soil to science, this is modern orange juice. Every parameter is monitored in real time, down to fractions of a degree. Each brand's flavor profile is mathematically defined. Consistency is verified before packaging begins. Thousands of cartons are filled every hour.
Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable.
Every carton can be traced back to its origin.
Automation minimizes human handling.
Uniform pallets ensure transport stability. Temperature control preserves quality. Millions of liters wait in silence.
Distribution is synchronized globally.
From here, juice crosses borders. Efficiency keeps costs predictable. Almost nothing is wasted. Peels become valuable products. Waste is converted into energy. Concentrate is real juice, minor water. This system feeds the world. Consistency never stops. From orchards to automation, this is concentrated orange juice.